So nowadays most of the smartphones prices are near $1,000, with little new upgrades and features. But most of the features they highlight, you are normal person use? I don't think so. Then why we spend more, but we get all the features we want in $139? Hi, this is MK and thanks for watching. I know I'm a small YouTuber, so you might not like and subscribe, but if you do, love you thanks. So the smartphone is iPhone S25 Ultra, and have an OLED 6.8-inch 120Hz bezel-less screen with a curved display. Slim body with only 6.9 mm thickness and body lightweight of 163 grams. A dual camera setup, having 50 megapixel 1440p camera, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of storage, a 5000 mAh big battery with 18 watt of charging, a decent unisoc T620 chipset that is butty smooth in day-to-day tasks and is good for normal gaming, having an Antutu score around 350,000. It came with Android 14 and guarantee 2 major upgrades, so it will last longer. So here in the side is a $1,000 Apple iPhone 15 Pro, which have a 6.1-inch small screen and is bulky heavier and have more bezels, with less battery of 3300 mAh, means less battery timing, and less 128 gigs of storage. So if you compare them side by side, then this $139 iPhone S25 Ultra looks more futuristic and more useful because of this big infinity curved display. So if you're out to buy a smartphone and want a smartphone for camera and processor, then you should spend more on expensive options out there. But if all you need is a cool-looking smartphone, which have a bigger display to watch content, bigger battery to last long in your working life, and decent camera, then you should go for this smartphone. So here you can see its camera and we do samples. And as an iPhone user, I can say it's only around 40% less in quality camera than an expensive models. So when I use this smartphone, then I genuinely don't like to use my iPhone. Especially when watching content, my iPhone looks outdated. So I did a very good job and it should be praised. I'm a person with only one hand working, so my channel will be focusing more on light and many techs. Thanks for watching, take care, bye.